To file stock income tax 1099-B form in 2025 using TurboTax. Start by gathering all necessary documents including your 1099-B forms from your brokerage firm, W-2 forms from your employer, and any other relevant tax documents. Next, log into your TurboTax account and select the type of tax return you want to file. Choose the option that includes investment income, as this will allow you to report your stock sales. TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions to determine your tax situation. Answer these questions accurately, including the type of investments you have and the income you received from them. When you reach the section on investment income, select the option to import your 1099-B form from your brokerage firm or enter the information manually. If you have multiple 1099-B forms, you will need to enter each one separately. TurboTax will then ask you to enter the details of each stock sale, including the date of sale, the number of shares sold, and the proceeds from the sale. You will also need to enter the cost basis of the stock, which is the original purchase price. Once you have entered all of your stock sales, TurboTax will calculate your capital gains and losses. If you have a net capital gain, you will need to pay tax on this amount. If you have a net capital loss, you can use this to offset other income. Finally, review your tax return carefully to ensure that all of the information is accurate. Make any necessary corrections and then submit your return to the IRS. It is also important to keep accurate records of your stock sales and other investment income, as this will make it easier to file your taxes in the future. Additionally, consider consulting with a tax professional if you have complex investment income or are unsure about how to report your stock sales. By following these steps and using TurboTax to file your stock income tax 1099-B form, you can ensure that your taxes are accurate and complete, and that you are taking advantage of all of the deductions and credits you are eligible for.